Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll begin by logging into Ubersuggest and adding 3 5-seed keywords or your website domain. This kickstarts relevant data. Once done, set the country, language, and device to match your audience so results are accurate. You're not configuring everything, just the essentials to get actionable metrics. Now click Search and scan volume, CPC, and SEO difficulty to prioritize terms. Make sure to export or bookmark high-potential ideas so you can jump to analysis in the next step. You'll now analyze the keyword list. Apply filters for volume, SEO difficulty, and user intent to find low-effort, high-value targets. Then review content ideas and top pages to see which competitor content performs and why. Look for content length, backlinks, and headlines. Once identified, cluster related keywords into topic groups so each page targets 3-5 closely related terms. This structure reduces keyword cannibalization and informs headings, meta tags, and internal links. Make adjustments until clusters align with your content capacity. You'll implement on-page optimizations. Write a compelling title and H1 using primary keywords, refine meta description, shorten URL, and add internal links. Once published, set up position tracking and run site audit weekly to monitor progress and detect issues. If performance stalls or drops, recheck technical errors, mobile usability, and recent backlink loss. Those are common culprits. Finally, iterate, update content based on search trends, and reuse high-performing formats. Troubleshooting tip: if traffic dips suddenly, compare audit and backlink reports first.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.